Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the evening walk here in Soncha. I'm gonna take a stroll to the My Khe Beach. You can see here Stella Maris, a few other hotels, and the Nobu building, residences. We just had dinner at a very good Fourth Inn, very good today. It was tremendous, beautiful. It was so good. It was just everything, like the Pho Sot Vang and the Kway, was just perfect. A perfect mix together. Yo, Jody, you want to have a tattoo? A mini tattoo?
No, thank you.
Tattoo?
Thank you. You get promotion?
It's 500,000 dong. 17 euro.
Not for free.
If you write it like this, it's almost like a way.
Even right and wrong. So.
Tattoo. Okay.
No.
There you go. It's funny. It's very funny. Hold on. Buy one, get one free.
How much is 25 minutes? 1 million.
Guys, would you trust it? Would you trust it? I'm not sure. I think this is the place. Greenhouse? No, it's not. Somewhere here is this one co-working space. Huh. Not sure where it is. Somewhere here is a co-working space. You can actually look to the beach. You have like an ocean view at the co-working desk. Hello. I just told my brother he should go and have a head massage and what is it called? A head wash. A hair wash. It's definitely a thing you have to do. And especially all women should always have their hair washed. It's because it's so affordable, you should not do it yourself. Then it's just very nice massage to it and then everything is perfect. Oh, this is new, I think. Or? Huh. It's very calm here, not that much going on in Soncha. And it's like, not late or anything. I thought it's a little bit more busy. It's like 7:45 right now. All right, guys, there you can get some durian. Interesting. Night coffee place here. Don't drink coffee at night, guys. It's too strong. It's really too strong. I think 4 o'clock is the latest you can have Vietnamese coffee. Why is it so quiet here? That's very weird. I thought it would be way more busy here. Let's see how many buses are here. Also, not that many buses. Interesting. I'm gonna ask a general manager from a hotel how it is at the moment. I think it's not that busy. But it looks pretty nice here. You have to run. Few buses are here, but not that many. And it's also pretty empty here. So weird. I would love to see some tourism numbers now. It should be like the high season, right? But it's not. I guess we still have to see. I think in June it's gonna be more tourists gonna be here. Around June 1st should be like starting the domestic tourism summer vacation in Vietnam. Usually June, July is like the highest. But at the moment it's the best weather. Just like, it's nice breeze in the evening, and it's very hot on the daytime. So I usually don't go out around noontime. If you've been here 2.5 years ago, there were many stands and they just removed them. You can still see a little bit where they were standing. I think they have to redo the pavement here. We have a little bit of an ankle breakers here. And here. And here, sadly, lots of people go through the grass. If you know where people always walk through, you should just pave it. I think then you eliminate the nastiness of a broken grass. But it's not that busy here, to be honest. I thought it would be busier. It's 8 o'clock here. But many people are still walking because it's a perfect breeze here, guys. It's very nice. And the air quality is good right now. And you can see the Lady Buddha statue, very good. It's less bright than usual. Usually it's a little bit more bright here. Some lights are missing, I think. There we go, the Nobu. Looks majestic. I'm wondering how high it will be. It will be looking like very big probably from here. Some dancing going on. I don't know even what kind of music that is. Now we have it bright again here. Those are the strips. Then you can basically always if you have dinner in Soncha, it's always nice to walk back because it's just like so perfect now with the weather, which is not the case in June, July or July, August. It's gonna be super hot, guys. Ultra hot. And it's gonna be hot at night and not that much wind. But yeah, it looks pretty nice here. Lots of people are also walking at the water, which is also nice and safe here on this main strip. I would still not recommend you walk as a woman further out where no one is. Don't do this, guys. Even though it's a super safe country, but you never know what kind of people are coming in. Here it's very safe to walk, but don't walk where no one is. And then we have some evening workout classes. They have many of those. And they have all kinds of music here. And this is actually nice music. Usually they have like this Wiener house, techno. Here we see the Nesta Celia. I gotta go in there and film it. I checked it out on Agoda and I was like, those photos don't tell me anything. I wanna see the truth. That's why I have to go in there. I'm wondering if they belong with the Nesta Hotel. I think yes. with beautiful grass here. I think in May they will probably open up the flower walk. So they will prepare all the flowers here and you're gonna have it very nice to walk. It's usually every year. Around May, I believe they started. May 1st, maybe even. Maybe. Sala Hotel. Every balcony has a Vietnamese flag on it. But the majority of the hotel guests there are Korean and Japanese. That's what they told me when I did a review. And it's very nice there actually. They have great breakfast and My Khe Beach, yeah. I think this area of the Nesta Celia is very good to stay. Either way, there or behind it. There are a lot of hotels and you can basically stay there, walk through here and go right to this beach here. And this beach is actually nice. It's not so crowded like the other ones, a little bit further in the An Thung area. Mian Beach, I would say it's more crowded than here. There should be a decibel limit to every vehicle if you're not driving a supercar. If you drive a supercar, you are deserving driving around loud. But motorbikes, it's pathetic. And I think Vietnam has these rules. And at some point they will go strict. I think they should make a lot of money with everyone who's having a loud engine. It's like having a loud engine, it starts with 10 million dong per decibel. So if you're over that limit, you gotta pay heavy fines. I think you could make so much money. Use the money and build bridges. Build bridges here, or maybe underground. That would be great, right? Punishing all the violators of the street and building good things to protect the civilians. But yeah, it's very safe here to walk. It's nice. Look at this. There's a My Khe Pickleball Club. Interesting. This old hotel in there, it's a pickleball club inside. They're everywhere. You can also play pickleball on a roof right behind the Grand Terrain where we just walked by. I think it's called Pika Pickleball. There we have another beach club. And they expanded, I think. But it's also pretty empty though. A little red dog. A little red dog. Tomorrow I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna do a morning sunrise video. I promised it since 1.5 years, or 2 years. Tomorrow I will do it. So don't forget to subscribe and see me suffering in the morning. I never thought I would do it, but I will do it. I will see how busy it will be here on this beach. just because we're gonna have one little scene of a video we do on the German channel. We're gonna tomorrow. I think it's gonna be a very interesting video. So stay tuned, guys. Catinat opened here just recently, actually. Oh wow, it's a dog fight. Oh my god. I actually know him. Oh god. Dogfight. Alles okay?
Ja, warte mal, hast du Licht? Moment.
Warte, ja. Alright guys, nothing happened. Actually, I actually knew the guy, he's a German too. So, but yeah, you gotta be careful here with the dogs. Walking your dog is kind of dangerous because locals always let their dogs roam around the houses, and if you come with a dog that does not belong into the street, they immediately try to attack. If that happens, you have to be very aggressive, clap to your hands, scream at the dog, and the dog will usually run away. They're very scared always. If you clap in your hands, go towards them aggressively, scream a little bit. Yeah, I think it's usually enough that they leave. At least what I experience. They always leave if you scream or clap to your hands, go towards them. If you run away, they will bite you. Don't run away. I remember an English friend of mine, he actually was on a run. He was running and there was a little Chihuahua always hanging out in one street. And he was running there, and then the little dog ran behind him and bit him. Just because he was like, you know what, he's easy to bully. Then he had to get a shot, I think. A small little dog, you never know. I think the small dogs are even worse than the big dogs. But it also depends on how they were raised. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please look at this beautiful beach here. It's very empty. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next walk.